Hello everyone. Today I'm presenting HelpLink, which is a data-driven volunteer coordination platform that breaks social work into small, actionable micro tasks. So the problem statement is that current volunteering systems overwhelm people with large responsibilities, and hence NGOs struggle to coordinate help efficiently and potential volunteers feel intimidated to commit. So we have created HelpLink, which is a solutions to the Google Solutions Challenge hackathon. Now let us get started. As we get started and log in as a volunteer, we can see that it shows our dashboard. Here I have logged in as Amit Sharma, and it shows four main cards. The first one is that of total reports. Now when I tap on this, it shows me all the current reports that have been highlighted by other volunteers in my vicinity. For instance, we can see this medical one, which says that urgent medical supplies that are needed for flood affected families, which require bandages, antiseptics, and basic medicines, and food, medical, etc. etc. Now, if we go to urgent needs, we can see that it filters the reports according to their priority. So here, as we can see, the medical one is ranked at priority 9, which means it requires critical and immediate attention at the moment, as well as it shows its high severity and medium severity, and for instance, this sanitation one is low severity, and it shows the date and on at which that report was created. Okay. um, Now the list of available tasks. So we can see that there are small micro tasks that any volunteer can easily do, and here we can see that in my tasks I have claimed that this distribute sanitation kits task. Now it is my duty to, according to this task, I have to distribute hygiene kits to 50 families. Similarly, there are other tasks as well. For instance, pack food kits, and I can easily claim this task by clicking on this. And as you can see, task claimed successfully, and here it is. It shows you the location. Now, in active volunteers, one can register their profile. So this is Amit Sharma, and here we can see, like, I have two main skills, which is giving medical aid and managing logistics, etc. And my preferred location is Howrah. Now the tasks are primarily dependent on a volunteer's location. So hence the tasks that were shown to me earlier, they were located in Howrah because of my preference. And as you can see under my tasks, I have two active tasks, which is this distribute sanitation kits and pack food kits. Now coming back to the dashboard again, um, so we can see the recent reports as well as the quick actions, like which is browse available tasks, which I showed earlier, the micro tasks like teach children or collect blankets and deliver medical supplies, etc., as well as updating my profile with my location. And here you can see there is this badge system for inculcating motivation amongst the volunteers so that they can volunteer more. Thank you.